Hi everyone, good night. We are going to perform, in this case, a penetration test over BTRSys2.1. Is intermediate level, but for me it was very easy machine. So let me create BTR sys.1 folder, and inside of BTR.1 folder we can encode nmap scripts, data and exploit folders. Inside of nmap we are going to execute nmap tool over the target IP. In that case is this one. So we are ready to start the recognition. So with fast Tcp Scan, yes, we can quickly review that. Let me close this one. Yes, close all tabs and barb 2. I don't want to use bar suite. So I can open the browser again and access to the target machine. So it's so awesome, this GIF. So I like a lot, no? And if you press it, you found another one, but this is only a GIF inside of an HTML. Is this one? Is this GIF? So at this point we can review again the open ports. There are three: FTP 22 and 80. So at the port 80, I can start with a footh over this IP with this directory list medium. So quickly we can find that there are an upload folder and WordPress folder. So it seems that there are another WordPress machine. So this is a new WordPress machine. So yes, of course, this is another WordPress machine. So the access is by default is admin, but I want to show you with WordPress scan and, for example, password, this one, no, that perform for you. Yes, so shit. This is another IP. Sorry. WP scan is this one IP, and with a password and this one. Yep. Continue. Yeah. Let me put this here. Yeah. It started. So at this point we can access with admin by default. In that place is performed an scan over WordPress, and the other service is the FTP that is 168 and 50. This port 21 with anonymous login and anonymous at domain.com. So we are inside, but there are no content. Allow FTP anonymous, but don't show you content. So found to user admin and Bitrix is trying to crack. So as you can see, it phones access admin. So the dashboard allows you access with admin credentials. So at this point we only need to go to plugins and editor. This is a little bit slow, so I can finish this one. As you can see, this is an older version of WordPress 3.9.4. There are many exploits, knowledge for vulnerabilities about this version of WordPress. So WordPress Yep. The most important and the WordPress core, all of them are version upper our version, so should be applied. Then it'll or service user enumeration, unauthorized password reset, authenticated arbitrary file deletion, viewing authenticated password, private post, so all that you want. At this point we can edit, for example, the 104 template. We are going to looking for reversal. So for example, for PHP, this look nice. So this is, yeah, I don't restart the machine. So this is the exec source code that it's going to send to my machine a new reversal to the port 18. So at this point I can let me put it here. I can start to listen this port because I'm going to update the file and reviewing the WordPress scan configuration. It say that the theme, what is the theme? Is 20t listing external WordPress content 20t. Yeah, this is the folder of the theme. So inside of this folder should contain the this PHP that we edit here, PHP 404 template. It's at this URL, so we can call using browser, or for example using a curl request like this, should send me a new reversal ID. This is Python 3 -c import pd spawn new vin vas. Yeah, so perfect. At this point we can go back. So at the init.wordpress we can find the wp-config file. So this is the DB configuration. This is a MySQL, and the user for the connection is root. So at this point, for example, inside of data, I can beam db config like this. Yeah, we are going to home, and at this point we found the user BTRSys2.1. Right now this is a cat local.txt. Yes, this is the flag of the first access. So at this point we can use the MySQL connection -u root and -p, the credentials that we obtain of the configuration file. This is a root password like this. So schemas, and after review all of them, we only need to use the WordPress schema. So tables, the from users, the most important table is this one. For our select strict from WP user /g. So we found a couple of users. The first one is admin, that the credential is admin, and the second one is root. So we only need to do this one. So what is this? HashingNet MD5 say to you that the credentials are root Tor. So it's very easy because has an easy credential. So we can use su minus minus. So like you say, display name is BTRSys2. So this is the same user that the operative system. So we can try to reuse the credentials. And yes, who am I? Yeah, an ID, and we can perform sudo -l with the same credentials, and it say this user is sudo s. So we can perform sudo -s, and voila, we are root ls -la, and we can go to the root folder, obtain the new flag proof.txt, so quickly and easy. This is all for this machine. See you later.